Hey everyone, welcome back to HelloVSTV, where we explore the best in audio, video, photography and tech. Today we are taking a look at the Skywave X50 5.1.4 soundbar from Ultimea, a home theater system designed to bring cinema-level surround sound into your living room. The Skywave X50 is a 5.1.4 channel Dolby Atmos surround sound system, meaning you are getting traditional surround channels, a dedicated subwoofer, and 4 high channels that create overhead sound effects. This allows audio to move not only around you but also above you, making movies and games feel far more immersive. And after testing this, I must say I was blown away. Instead of just hearing sound from the front like a traditional soundbar, Dolby Atmos allows you to hear things like rain falling from above, helicopter flying overhead, or ambience filling the room, which makes the whole experience much more cinematic. This system delivers up to 760 watts of peak power, which is a lot for a home soundbar setup. That means it can fill a large living room with strong dynamic sound, whether you are watching movies, playing games, or listening to music. The 8-inch wireless subwoofer comes with the system. Ultimea uses something called Gravus ultra-linear bass technology, designed to produce deep, clean bass down to around 28 Hz without distortion. So explosions in movies, kick drums in music, and low-end effects in games all feel powerful but still controlled.
This is luminance.
The universe of color. Right now, you're listening to where cinematic audio has been. That it is merely a fraction of what its potential could be.
Their Neural Core audio processing system allows to handle multiple channels of audio and play sounds accurately around the room, making the surround experience feel more realistic. Connectivity is also very modern here. You get HDMI eARC support, which means high-quality audio can pass directly from your TV to soundbar with minimal compression. The system also supports Bluetooth and smart app control, so you can adjust EQ settings, sound modes, and presets directly from your phone. Ultimea uses dual 5 GHz wireless transmission, which helps maintain stable connections between the soundbar, the rear speakers, and the subwoofer while reducing interference and dropouts. So you still get a full surround system, but without running cables all across your living room. Design-wise, the Skywave X50 has a modern and minimal look, with a metal grille, soundbar, and a solid subwoofer cabinet that blends nicely into most home theater setups. Overall, this system is clearly aimed at people who want a full surround sound experience without building a complicated home theater setup. So if you are looking for a powerful soundbar system that delivers cinematic audio for movies, gaming, and music, the Skywave X50 is definitely an interesting option to consider, and I highly recommend it. If you want to learn more about this product, I will leave the product link in the description below, so make sure to check it out. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because here on HelloVSTV we continue exploring the best in audio, video, and technology. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.